Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Luna Classic update today. And Luna Classic at the moment is really boring, and I do not like the performance of Luna Classic. Bunk is doing good, Pepe is doing good, a lot of coins are doing good, but we have Luna Classic that is still stuck. But one thing that I can say, there are fractals that tell me that Luna Classic is about to go crazy very soon, very, very crazy. And I'm not saying this to bait you, but this is the truth. Before I tell you why I feel like that, if you do scroll down, click on Discord, you can join for free, number one. Number two is if you click on announcement and message me, you can message to be a part of June private channel, just a small fee payment. And I'm going to tell you the good trades that were taken. One of them, of course, is Luna Classic. I've told you before that I'm taking Luna Classic on private. That's the only coin that I'm going to reveal. And I have it. And if people are telling me, is this still a good buy? Yes, it's still a good buy, and you're pretty much buying at the very same place I'm buying right now. Because for me, somewhere down the road, I'm looking for probably some movement back. An easy peasy 14,583. So I do believe you're looking for a move to probably 27%. Easy 27%, I can say. A break is about to happen. We're slowly making an ascending triangle. Keep that in mind. So if I take this trend line at the moment, the maximum time it will take for Luna Classic to consolidate is until 8th of June, okay, next month. So all we're doing is right now, we're going up or coming down, going up, coming down. This is a bullish chart pattern known as ascending triangle. It's easy, everyone should know this. When you have an upper straight resistance and an ascending support, it actually collides to make a triangle known as ascending triangle because the prices are ascending to the upside. And now, when we break above it, the next technical target is to take the top to the bottom right there, and you're going to be looking at 16,771. So understand this is going to be 44%. But here's the thing. I may say that I'm a little bit biased about the pump, which is the probability. Let's just say I'm very confident the pump is about to happen. But the reality is the break will determine where the direction is. So if you try to break to the downside, and you're going to go actually down, okay? 8529 is going to be a technical target if you end up coming down. But doesn't it even make sense? I mean, ask yourself, Bitcoin is pumping to 71,000, making new all-time high. Luna Classic just dropped big time, like 56% down, okay? And we also have bullish divergence. And that's the reason why this little bit of hints and signs that I have tells me that it doesn't make sense for Luna Classic to go down, but it actually makes sense to break and go up. And the thing is that we might see a severe break where you just go all the way up without any retest, okay? And 8th of June to 9th of June or 10th of June maximum is just the maximum time it's going to take for the break. It could actually even happen today, tomorrow, in 3 days. But the time is soon, but at least we've actually seen, based on this data, we're predicting this little bit of a data that, okay, ascending triangle, we're actually coming at the very end of it. It's almost like it's 75% loaded, 25% more left. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next round of office.